no meaning to it. But we add an so we can separate the t and the d, or this and this. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Anybody have any questions at this point?
No.
Everybody still awake? One last problem then. How do we say this word?
Age.
Age. It's 창문, though, like. How do we say this word?
Cabbage.
The difference. If this is age, why isn't this cabbage? How many syllables do you find in Chinese words? 中文的字有几个音节？中文的每个字有一个音节。中文的字一个字一个音节，一个音节一个字。所以中国科技大学有个字有个音节 ，right? So you have 5 different tones that help you to separate the syllables. The reason you have tones is because every word is one syllable, right? Without tones, you would not have enough words. Now, in English, one word can be 1 syllable, or 2, or 3, or 20, right? So, when we make English words, do we say all of the syllables the same? In Chinese, when you talk, you tend to talk like this because every syllable is the same. In English, we don't do that, right? In English, we have strong and weak syllables. Right? And here's the thing. We have here a limited number of patterns to help us. They don't always work the same way, but 大部分是这样子。每个字有一个重音 right? Every word has 1 strong syllable. Now, if we take 2 words and put them together, sometimes it becomes really long. We keep 2 strong syllables. It's 2 words. We just pretend they're 1, right? But when we have 1 strong syllable, that means every other syllable is weak. And weak syllables don't like long vowels. 清音要用长音. Okay? So, weak syllables get shortened. So, this is age, but in this word, this is the strong syllable. It's cabbage. So we can't say cabbage because then we have 2 strong syllables. 它变成清音 cabbage. Okay. We do this and it changes spelling too. Today's topic, 有动词 pronounce. Pronounce. 哪一个音是重音？哪一个音节？ Pronounce. 第二个音节 right? This is the standard pattern. 拉丁文来的动词大部分都是这样子，有2个音节。第一个音节是介系词，是副词上的。Pro means forward, like 同义词 project, right? Pro, it throws a picture forward, okay? Ject is throw. So every Latin verb has at least these 2 parts. 有这个介系词、副词的想法，还有动词的想法。All right， 动词的音节比较重要的 ，right？ It's the more important one. So this is the strong syllable. Okay, that's why with this word, produce, produce， 哪一个是动词？ Produce and produce， 一个是名词，一个是动词，哪一个是动词？
Producer.
Produce. That's where we get producer, right? Produce. This is the verb syllable, so this gives us the verb. Then to make a noun, we just change the syllable stress. Okay? Now, pronounce. 它的名词是什么？
Pronouns.
Well, we can't do that with all of our Latin verbs. Only a few of them can do that well. Fine. 英文呢？拼拼看 pronunciation.
P-R-O.
拼拼看 try. Pronunciation.
Okay.
It will start the same as this one here. O-U. Pronounce. 中音。所以它是强音。Pronunciation. 是轻音。That's why the spelling changes. 因为它不是中音，所以不要强音，所以幼音。Okay? And this happens in a lot of places in English. Now, the syllable stress has to move because there are too many short syllables here at the end, too many weak syllables. I-ation, the E-ation. We can't say pronunciation because then the CA, they become squeezed together. So, pronunciation. We do this with a lot of these words, like translation, right? Sometimes it's the same stress. Translate, translation, 加一个音节没有关系，但是加三个音节，太多 right? So, this is where there are a lot of different patterns depending on the letters here, so you need to see a lot of examples. But the reason why the spelling changes is because the sound changes, because the stress changes. Okay? So, if you can think of these different things, these four little patterns, that covers most of the spelling and pronunciation changes, the problems. Okay? There's still the problem with different languages. 不同的语言来的文字, right? You have to be able to find out where the words are from, right? And there are letters that are put together, like CH or TH or SH, right? So there are still a lot of questions, but I hope this gives you a start to understand some of the problems, right? Now, I could keep teaching this for a few hours. I love this stuff, but I do want English to be, fun for you guys too. So, we still have a few minutes left. What do you want to ask about? What do you want to ask about? 不一定是英文的问题，都可以问。要问什么？
Are you still doing the part-time job right now?
This is a part-time job too.
That means you don't have a permanent position, or you don't want to have a permanent position.
I don't really want one, no.